5 takes is always the best one. By the time you get to number 39, go.
Hi, this is Geraldine with Carpets of Arizona, and this is Jerry. He is the owner and my future father-in-law. He came up with an insane idea, and I'm gonna let him tell you all about it.
That's right. It is an amazing deal that you can't pass up on. It's only good on Karndean Korlok and Pergo, which we're going to show you in a minute. But we're going to do free tile removal. That's ceramic tile, and we're only going to do that for a limited time. It's only till the end of August. This isn't a big advertised campaign. So what you want to do is call us right away. Get your estimate right away. And have you seen Korlok yet? This is waterproof, 100% waterproof flooring. It's the most amazing flooring you'll ever own. Easiest to take care of, keep clean. Looks like real wood, but it's not. It's actually a composite material that is super durable against dents, scratches. Really easy just to wipe down with a wet cloth and get it clean. Lots of beautiful visuals to choose from. So you have to see this flooring. It's just amazing. And then this is new. It's Pergo Extreme from Mohawk. We're going to make the same offer on this as well.
This is actually one of my favorite. It's called Gray Expose. We just sold it right now.
We're going to install it in a couple weeks, so we can't wait to see what that turns out like. And we're doing free tile removal for that customer as well.
What?
They're going to save about $2,500 on the free tile remover. It costs about $350 to remove the tile. So we'll also prep the floors and get it ready for install. Also, we do free carpet removal with the purchase of these products. So this is my favorite. It's called Bohannon, and it's kind of hard to see the variety of colors you get with this, but a few of them just have a multitude of color that really look sharp in your house and would just look dynamite almost in any home and with any decor. So you got to see what's available down here now and take advantage of it. Get your project started in August. Take advantage of this amazing offer.